Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up a welcome email on Beehiiv. To begin, open Beehiiv and go to your newsletter dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your publication settings, content, and subscriber experience. If you are already signed in, you should land directly in your workspace. Starting from the dashboard helps make sure you are editing the correct newsletter before making any changes. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section is where Beehiiv stores the main configuration options for your publication. If you are setting up a welcome email for the first time, this is the place where you will manage that feature. After opening Settings, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Emails. The Emails section contains the tools related to how your publication communicates with subscribers. This includes important email settings and, in this case, the welcome email that new subscribers receive after joining your list. Next, scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Configure Welcome Email. Then click it. Scrolling is important here because the setting may not appear immediately at the top of the page. Once selected, Beehiiv will open the Welcome Email Editor, where you can customize the message that is automatically sent to new subscribers. Now enter the information you need in the Welcome Email Setup area. This is where you will add the content for your message and make sure everything is ready for subscribers to receive. Take a moment to review what you type so your email is clear, helpful, and aligned with your newsletter's tone. A welcome email is often the first direct interaction a new subscriber has with your brand, so it is worth making sure the wording feels polished and intentional. When you are finished entering the necessary details, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This final step ensures your changes are stored and your welcome email setup is updated in Beehiiv. If you navigate away without saving, your edits may not be applied, so be sure to complete this step before leaving the page. And that's it. You have now set up your welcome email in Beehiiv. After saving, it is a good idea to quickly double-check the saved content to confirm everything appears as expected. With your welcome email in place, new subscribers can receive a consistent introduction to your newsletter right from the start.